day. It is not cold. I only have my hood on because my hair keeps blowing in my face. It's gorgeous. It's probably 70 out right now. Seas are pretty calm. We've got a takoyaki demonstration. We're doing a wine tasting. And tonight we have a group dinner at Moderna, which is the Brazilian steakhouse. So yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a pretty good day. So let's go.
We have prepared you a tapas plate. We have manchego cheese, bacon, pecan nuts with sweetened seasoning, and a date. Hopefully, no one's allergy in these items. Anyone? Less hot. Less hot. So if it's less hot, less sunshine, is it rainier? Yep. Is it fruity or dry? Dry. If it comes from the new world, let's put an example, California. Is it warm days, cool nights, or other way around? Warm days, cool nights. Which will be that.
I mean, is anything really better than this?